Hey everybody, Dan here. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about building your own thumbnails in YouTube, Fiverr, and Upwork. So recently, I just made a video about starting your own work and doing some side hustles in Fiverr and Upwork. And so a good way to get yourself noticed and to really, promote yourself is to make a really awesome thumbnail. And so there's a lot of programs out there, but I found just a really quick method that I use, and so far it's been working great, and so I want to share it with you guys. So let's get on to it. So the two places for me that are the most easiest that I found are Snappa and Remove Background. So I'll put the links to their websites below so you'll have them. So basically, really quick, so Snappa is just basically a place where it has templates of thumbnails, and you can just select different sizes and you can add all sorts of images and whatnot. I'll go into it. It's really great. And then Remove Background Image is just an awesome place where you can literally go drag a picture and drop it in, and it automatically removes the background and allows you to add custom backgrounds too, and allows you to download that image right to your computer, and you have access to it whenever you need it. So it's really handy. Both of them actually let you do that. Two things to note for these programs. So Snappa allows you to have 3 downloads per month, and Remove Background allows you to take images and remove the backgrounds of 50 per month. So if you're making a lot of YouTube videos, this is something that you're going to want to keep in mind. So because of that limitation, the workaround tool that I've used and has been working great is just using the snipping tool. So just snip over the picture that you've made, save it to your computer, and you now have your own thumbnail. So it's a great workaround for sure. All right, so now I'm just gonna go through both programs just so you can kind of quickly see what they're all about and see for yourself and see how easy they are. So let's get on to Snappa first. Alright, so here we are in Snappa's homepage. So now let's say you've made your account and you're ready to go. So what you're basically going to do is choose the type of media that you're going to want to make the template for. And so what I found is the best one to choose is something that's really high resolution and common. So I did 1280 by 720, so which is this YouTube thumbnail. So that's been working out great. I click that and check this out. So now I have just all sorts of free templates available to use to create a thumbnail in. And now if I just don't even really care, say if I find something I like, I can just literally click here, customize it, the wording or whatever I need to do, and save that. And you've got yourself a template right there. But now say if you want to make this your own, you can easily build something from scratch, or you can just take a template that's already been built. So let's take this one, for example, and I'll move myself out of the way here. So say if I didn't like that background, I have this full range of backgrounds to choose from that are completely free. I can select one and boom, there it goes. Now say if I didn't like any of those, I can go on here and I can upload whatever I want. So now I can do stuff like mess with the image, so I can maybe fade out the background, fade it in, change it in any color. I can also add text wherever I want. This interface is very intuitive. I can just drag and drop things wherever I need. And I can add graphics and all sorts of shapes. And say if I want, I can upload an image of my own, which is just a matter of a click. And there I go, boom. So depending on what sort of background you want, you have the full capability of doing so. And then all you do at the top here is you make sure to save this, so you'll have yourself a template made, and then you just click this download button, which is in the top right corner here, and boom, you've got yourself your own template customized and ready to go. All right, so now let's check out what it looks like to remove a background from an image just really quick, and you'll see how powerful it is. And what's great is you can add any sort of, you can save these kind of pictures and then add them to Snappa and just put them into your template. So just really quick, easy way. Very nice. All right, so here we are at the Remove Background website, and this thing does not get any easier, I swear. So check this out. So let's drag this beautiful picture of myself right into here. So I can just put this and drop it wherever I want on this page, and boom, there it goes. So it is gonna automatically take that picture and remove the background completely. Now check this out. So if I click on this edit button up here, so this program is smart enough to just basically throw a bunch of just random templates in, so I can kind of just put myself wherever I want. So check that out. I'm in the rainforest. Check this out. I'm in some sort of fantasy land. So all this stuff is completely free to use. So now what's really cool, what I like, is say if I use this forest here, now I can blur the background to kind of get that depth effect. All this stuff is completely free, completely available, so I can just download this and be ready to go. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So not too bad, right? So if you wanted to make some really good quality background images, thumbnails, any sort of ways to advertise for your business, you can easily just go onto these two sites, just with a few clicks, build your own little background, and you're set to go, and you've got yourself a nice template ready to go. So if you found this video helpful, if this was good information, please give this video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next channel. Have a great day. Take care.